What if I told you that in just 7 days, you could hit the reset button on your brain? That you could clear mental fog, boost memory, restore focus, and even reignite your creativity, all backed by the latest neuroscience. No gimmicks, no fluff, just 7 powerful science-based steps you can implement starting today. Intrigued? Let's dive in. Day 1. Digital detox. The power of unplugging your brain is bombarded with over 34 gigabytes of information daily, equivalent to 100,000 words. From social media scrolls to constant notifications, your prefrontal cortex, responsible for decision-making and focus, is constantly overwhelmed. Research number 1. A 2023 study from the University of California, Irvine found that workers who took periodic breaks from digital devices showed a 48% increase in focus and cognitive retention after just 5 days. Action: unplug for 2 hours today. No screens. Use that time for journaling, walking, or simply doing nothing. The silence helps recalibrate your brain's natural rhythms. Day 2. Reboot with sleep. Sleep isn't just rest, it's neuro-repair. Deep sleep flushes out neurotoxins, consolidates memory, and enhances emotional stability. Research number 2. According to a 2024 paper published in Nature Neuroscience, just 1 week of improved sleep, 7 to 9 hours nightly, led to a 60% improvement in memory recall and emotional resilience in participants aged 18 to 45. Action: set a sleep ritual. No screens an hour before bed. Cool your room to 65 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 degrees Celsius, and aim for consistency, same sleep and wake times daily. Day 3. Fuel your brain with neuro-nutrition. Your brain uses 20% of your body's energy. Feed it wisely. Omega-3 South, antioxidants, and hydration play a massive role in cognitive clarity. Action: start your day with a smoothie. Blueberries, antioxidants, spinach, magnesium, chia seeds, omega-3, and a handful of walnuts. Bonus study. A 2022 Harvard review concluded that a Mediterranean-style diet was linked to a 33% lower risk of cognitive. Day 4. Movement equals mental clarity. Exercise is like Miracle-Gro for your brain. Even a brisk walk increases BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor, which supports neuron growth. Research number 3. A 2023 meta-analysis from Stanford University showed that just 20 minutes of moderate exercise per day improved executive function and creative thinking by up to 35%. Action: move your body. Whether it's dancing, walking, yoga, or a gym session, get your heart pumping for at least 20 minutes. Day 5. Meditation and mindfulness. Reset. Stillness isn't laziness, it's maintenance. Meditation strengthens the anterior cingulate cortex and shrinks the amygdala, making you calmer and more focused. Action: try a 10-minute guided meditation today. Use apps like Headspace or Insight Timer. Focus on breath, awareness, and letting go. Day 6. Brain Challenge Day. Cognitive stimulation. Your brain loves novelty. Challenging it with puzzles, learning a new skill, or even switching up routines strengthens neural pathways. Action: learn something new today. Play chess, try a new language, or do a puzzle. Just 15 to 30 minutes can ignite your neuroplasticity. Day 7. Connection and gratitude. Loneliness is more toxic than smoking 15 cigarettes a day. Social connection and gratitude stimulate dopamine, serotonin, and oxytocin, the happy trifecta. Action: call a friend. Write a gratitude list. Do something kind. These actions reboot your emotional circuitry and boost well-being. Cold showers for brain reset. Cold exposure boosts norepinephrine by up to 200%, improving alertness and mood. End your next shower with 30 seconds of cold water. Build up daily. It's a biological wake-up call. 7-day brain reset action plan. Day 1. 2-hour digital detox. Day 2. Sleep 7 to 9 hours with a wind-down ritual. Day 3. Neuro-nutrition smoothie and Mediterranean meals. Day 4. 20+ minutes of exercise. Day 5. 10-minute meditation. Day 6. Brain puzzle or new skill. Day 7. Connect with someone plus gratitude journaling. Bonus. Cold shower for 30 seconds. Your brain isn't fixed, it's constantly evolving. In just 1 week, you can refresh, rewire, and reboot your cognitive health. These aren't just habits. They're signals to your brain that you're ready to thrive. If this video helped you or you plan to try this challenge, hit that like button, drop a comment below telling us which day you're most excited about, and subscribe for more brain-boosting, life-enhancing science content. Your brain is plastic, capable of change at any age. Daily micro-adjustments lead to massive neurological gains. Backed by science, driven by consistency. Reset your brain, reset your life. Let's grow smarter together. See you in the next one.